What's happening, everyone? Got another video today on the ST. Today we are installing a Mountune quick shifter. Let's get to it. Okay, so first of all you want to jack the car up, obviously. Please use stands, don't be like me. Once you're under the car, you want to get this plastic cover off on the gearbox. Nothing major, it's literally just clipped on with these little tabs. Once you get it off, then you can finally see your shifter arm. Just get a light quickly, just in case you can't. Okay, so your brown arm there is the shifter, and obviously you've got your cable 1, cable 2, and obviously we'll have to get this plastic surround off also. As you can see, there's a couple bolts here and there. Okay, let's get to it then. So to get these cables off, what you've got to do, twist like that, clockwise, and then pull. And then the bottom cable, there's a little thing on the back, you just literally press it in. And once you do that, with the other hand, like so. Okay, and as for the other cable, there isn't a tab to press it off, so you just give it a bit of persuasion with the bar, and there you go, look, shot it straight out as well for me. Okay, so now that's all off, what you want to do is get a ratchet and a socket, preferably what, it's going to be a fucking 8mm. Take all these bolts off, get the surround off, and we'll go from there. Okay, once that cover's off, just pull this little boot out of the way. We should be able to sort of get behind the arm now and lever it off, like so. Okay, now for the new arm. Right, with this new arm here, it's got a little cube on it. What you want to do is make sure that is level to go inside the actual selector itself. So we'll just literally get that in level. Okay guys, so the car's now on the ground again. Quick shifter's all in. Give it a little test. That's much better. Throw is not that short, but it's definitely more like sort of springy into the gears, because when I removed the arm, it was very much lighter than the old one, because obviously it's made of billet aluminium, whereas the old one's made of cast. So definitely worth an upgrade. Only issue now is obviously Mountune has gone into administration, so trying to find one, it's going to be a bit of a pain in the arse. But anyways guys, thank you ever so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.